Today, we're diving into an all-season tire showdown within the Michelin family, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 versus the BFGoodrich Advantage All Season. While both are under the same umbrella, they offer unique approaches to all-season performance. The CrossClimate 2 has been a dominant force since its launch in 2020, but the Advantage All Season, introduced in 2022, brings fresh competition. Let's see how these two stack up in wet, snow, dry, noise, and wear performance. Buckle up! Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 2 set as the reference point at 100%. Starting with wet performance, both tires are strong contenders. In wet braking, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 stops just 0.4 meters shorter than the BFGoodrich Advantage All Season. In terms of wet handling, the CrossClimate 2 again has a slight edge with a lap speed of 72.7 km per hour compared to the Advantage All Season's 72 km per hour. However, the Advantage All Season fights back in straight-line aquaplaning, maintaining grip up to 80.4 km per hour, which is 1.4 km per hour higher than the CrossClimate 2. A close call, but each tire shines in different aspects. On snowy roads, it's another tight race. The BFGoodrich Advantage All Season stops 0.1 meters shorter in snow braking at 22.9 meters. Yet, when it comes to snow traction and handling, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 pulls ahead, achieving better traction force and a faster average speed on snow-covered tracks. It's a back-and-forth battle with both tires performing admirably in winter conditions. But where the Michelin CrossClimate 2 truly stands out is in its wear and longevity. With a staggering mileage of 57,046 kilometers, it outlasts the BFGoodrich Advantage All Season by over 16,700 kilometers. This significant difference in wear performance sets the CrossClimate 2 apart, making it a go-to choice for those who want long-lasting tires. In dry conditions, the CrossClimate 2 continues to lead. It stops 1.2 meters shorter in dry braking and handles with a slightly faster average speed compared to the BFGoodrich. When it comes to noise, the CrossClimate 2 is just a tad quieter, offering a more refined ride. When it comes to rolling resistance, both tires are nearly identical, providing similar fuel efficiency. This shows that while they differ in certain performance areas, they are closely matched in terms of energy efficiency. In summary, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 excels in mileage, wet, and dry performances, while the BFGoodrich Advantage All Season excels in aquaplaning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.